Hey everyone, I will be showing you 7 incredible free-to-text image AI generators. Stop using Midjourney. While Midjourney has undoubtedly established itself as a prominent player in the realm of text-to-image generators, we are currently shifting our focus away from Midjourney to introduce you to 7 promising alternatives that may potentially surpass it in the future. It is worth noting that these platforms are freely accessible. These contenders are rapidly progressing, continuously introducing enhancements that enhance their capabilities and features, positioning them as formidable competitors. I will also guide you through the process of using them and showcase the outcomes of the generated images. But before we delve into the details, if you have a keen interest in staying informed about the latest AI tools and learning how to use them effectively, you have come to the right place. This channel is dedicated to providing informative content and easy-to-follow tutorials. We appreciate your support and encourage you to consider subscribing. Now, let's get started. Our initial text-to-image AI generator is the Night Cafe Creator. This application utilizes various AI art generation techniques to transform your photos into artistic masterpieces through neural style transfer. With this text-to-image AI, you can produce artwork based solely on textual input. Simply enter a text prompt and the generator will craft impressive images. To kickstart the creative process, click on the Create button. Following that, you will be presented with a variety of creation methods to choose from. These methods encompass different stylistic or artistic approaches, such as the popular Stable Diffusion, the imaginative Dial E2, the Coherence Focus Coherent, the artistic flair of artistic, and the transformative abilities of style transfer. Your choice of method should align with the artistic vision you have in mind. In my case, I will choose this particular method. As you embark on your creative journey, remember that the method you choose will influence the direction of your artistry, offering a plethora of possibilities to express your unique vision. Feel free to enter your text prompt in the designated area above. If you are unsure about what to write, you can click the random button to receive prompt suggestions to spark creativity. Additionally, you can scroll through and choose a specific art style that resonates with you. Once you have selected a style and are satisfied with your prompt, proceed to the next section. Here, you can specify the number of images you want to generate. Subsequently, press the Create button to initiate the generation process. Our second text-to-image generator is CArt AI, a versatile platform that encompasses image generation, image enhancement, and AI chatbot, and even video creation. Creating AI art on CArt is a straightforward process. Whether you have a specific model in mind or wish to generate art from the ground up, CArt provides user-friendly options to bring your artistic ideas to fruition. If you already have a particular model in mind, you can effortlessly browse through the selection and choose the one that best fits your artistic requirements. Once you have identified the perfect model, a simple click on the Try button sets you on the path to creating your AI artwork. Alternatively, if you prefer to start with a blank canvas and let your creativity flow freely, CArt offers the Generate button conveniently located at the top of the interface, next to the search bar. Clicking this button initiates the exciting process of creating AI images from scratch. One notable feature of CArt is its natural language processing capability. You can input creative prompts in everyday language, making the process even more accessible. For instance, typing something as simple as "a handsome man walking on the beach" and hitting enter leads to CArt's AI interpreting your input and generating an image based on your description. The results are not fully fast, but also remarkably impressive, showcasing the power and versatility of AI, the realm of art. CArt AI also provides advanced tools like ControlNet, expansion, and options to enhance image quality. Additionally, they offer features such as Describe, Preview, and Prompt Studio. The third text-to-image tool is TensorArt, a free AI image generator and model hosting website that empowers users to generate images using a variety of AI models. These models, including Checkpoint, Textual Inversion, ControlNet, and LoRa, provide a range of options for users. Additionally, the platform allows users to upload their own AI models, making it a versatile and customizable tool for creating images through artificial intelligence. To initiate the creative process, select a model that aligns with your artistic vision and click the Run button. Consider your chosen foundational model as a blank canvas where you can express your unique artistic vision. To enhance your artwork, explore the Add LoRa function and utilize ControlNet to refine and improve your creative work. LoRa adds a distinctive character to your artwork, while ControlNet provides precision in managing various aspects of the creative journey. The next step involves choosing the VAE, acting as a filter to fine-tune your image and infuse it with a desired artistic touch. Now, experiment with a new prompt, akin to selecting patterns and designs for the icing on your artistic cake. Additionally, consider the negative prompt as a safety net to ensure your image remains free of any undesired elements. TensorArt allows you to customize a negative prompt to suit your creative needs. To further personalize your image, adjust the aspect ratio and sampling method to strike the perfect balance between speed and image quality. Note that a higher sampling step can make your artistic input stand out even more. Typically, setting the CFG scale to around 7 achieves a harmonious balance between the image and the artistic prompt. After making these selections, click the Generate button and witness your creation come to life. Your creative works will be stored in your workspace for a specified period, providing ample time to admire and share your art. If, at any point, you find your masterpiece not meeting your expectations, TensorArt offers an after-detailer fix option, enabling specific improvements such as refining facial or hand details. Once satisfied with your creation, simply click the download option to save your artistic masterpiece. Our fourth text-to-image generator is GenCraft, an advanced AI platform designed to transform text descriptions into unique and captivating images, designs, and art. The process is remarkably straightforward. In the designated text box, you simply describe the creation you envision. To illustrate, for this demonstration, I will input a lion in the deep sea. Now, the exciting part begins. You have the option to choose whether you want the AI to generate an image or a video based on your description. For this instance, I will choose to generate an image. With a click of the Generate button, the anticipation builds as we wait for just a minute, allowing the magic to unfold behind the scenes. And lo and behold, the AI has worked its wonders, and the result is nothing short of stunning. The transformation from a mere text description to a visually captivating representation showcases the power and creativity of GenCraft. This simple yet powerful tool opens up a world of possibilities, allowing users to effortlessly translate their imaginative ideas into tangible and visually striking creations. Our fifth entry into the world of text-to-image generators introduces LexicaArt, a multifaceted website that seamlessly combines the function of a search engine and an art gallery, specifically dedicated to showcasing artwork created with stable diffusion models. LexicaArt provides users with a unique and engaging experience in the realm of AI-generated images. To embark on your creative journey with LexicaArt, the process is simple yet dynamic. Begin by adding a prompt or description of the image you envision. For instance, you might type "cat in the ocean" to set the creative wheels in motion. Once your prompt is entered, the next step is to click on the search button. At this point, LexicaArt employs its potent AI algorithms to generate a diverse array of images centered around your provided prompt. What adds an extra layer of intrigue to LexicaArt is its adaptability. If you find yourself seeking specific styles or themes, the platform encourages experimentation with different prompts. By varying your prompts, you unlock the potential for a rich and varied selection of AI-generated images, each with its own unique aesthetic and creative flair. Lexica Art, with its fusion of search engine functionality and art gallery curation, stands as a testament to the innovative ways in which AI can be harnessed for creative expression. It not only simplifies the image generation process, but also transforms it into an exploration of artistic possibilities, making the creation of visually striking and imaginative content an accessible and enjoyable endeavor. Introducing the sixth marvel in the realm of text-to-image generators, OpenArt AI. This sophisticated AI art generator seamlessly transforms your text descriptions into visually stunning masterpieces, providing an innovative platform for unleashing your creative potential. To initiate your artistic journey with OpenArt AI, begin by clicking on Create from Scratch. Positioned on the left side of the screen is a designated prompt field where you can input your imaginative ideas. For instance, envision crafting monkey house on top of a tree, digital art. The platform also allows for the use of a negative prompt, offering a unique dimension to the creative process. Once your prompt is set, eagerly click on Create. The platform not only simplifies the creative process, but also enhances the exploration of artistic possibilities. OpenArt AI stands as a testament to the fusion of technology and creativity, proving that with a few clicks and a well-crafted prompt, anyone can embark on a journey of visual expression. Introducing the seventh iteration of cutting-edge text-to-image technology, Imagine Art. Embark on a journey of artistic exploration where you effortlessly craft awe-inspiring masterpieces and delve into the boundless realms of AI-generated artistry. With Imagine, the AI art generator, the creative process becomes an exhilarating adventure. Simply input your prompt, select a style, and watch in amazement as Imagine breathes life into your ideas. To commence your artistic odyssey, ensure that Imagine is not in default mode. Click on the text-to-image icon if needed. It is time to transcend conventional boundaries and infuse vitality into your visionary concepts. Create a prompt that resonates with your imagination, such as craft a portrait capturing the essence of a Gen Z individual, artfully situated in urban surroundings, adorned in the latest fashion, and accessorized to reflect their distinctive style. Now, kindle the enchantment. Click the Generate button and witness the transformative power of AI unfold. As the pixels dance across the screen, a moment of anticipation ensues, and behold the evolution. Marvel at the seamless transition from mere words to a visual symphony. Your imagination materializes into brilliance, and the canvas is adorned with a manifestation of your creative spark. I am eager to learn about your opinions now. From the array of 7 text-to-image platforms discussed, which one caught your attention the most? Have you had the chance to explore these AI generators for text-to-image conversion? If you have, could you recommend a particular platform to others based on your experiences? Your perspectives hold significant value, so please don't hesitate to express your insights in the comments section below. I am genuinely excited to read and engage with your viewpoints. For those seeking a deeper understanding of these AI tools, I have crafted instructional videos that demonstrate their usage. If you are curious and in need of straightforward guidance, consider watching my videos. They offer a practical resource to aid your learning process and empower you to create visually captivating images effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.